Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
The announcement had been made over a year ago for AK-203 manufacturing, but the negotiations were prolonged. After a year of negotiation, India and Russia have finally agreed to the terms of manufacture of the AK-203 assault rifle. While the manufacture of AK-203 in India is seen as a triumph for indigenous production, however, it is not something we should rejoice about. It's a shame that even after 75 years of independence, we have to take help from foreign countries to develop an assault rifle. Anyways, back in August, the deal for AK-203 has been cleared from Indian and Russian side. However, it was yet to be officially inked. The OFP's Amethi factory was inaugurated back in 2019 for the manufacturing of AK-203 assault rifles and yet to start the production, which is expected to commence only in next year. With the Russian President Vladimir Putin expect to visit next month, the Defense Ministry gave its final clearance over to the manufacturing of 7.5 lakhs of AK-203 assault rifles costing about Rs 5,000 crore. The deal will be finally signed during the Putin visit and has now been cleared on Tuesday by Defense Acquisition Council. The deal was not progressing earlier due to heavy demand of royalty by Russia, to be precise, $200 per rifle. Now, as we all know, that as a part of this deal, nearly 6.5 lakhs rifles would be manufactured in India. So the royalty would cost somewhere near to $130 million to India. Back in August, Russia has agreed for complete TOT for the manufacturing with no royalty, which has further paved the way for this deal to progress. As we all know that OFB has been dissolved into 7 PSUs recently. However, it's being reported that this will not have any impact on the manufacturing of the rifle. The rifle will be manufactured under a joint venture company named Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited between the OFP, Kalashnikov concern and Rosbon Export, having stake of 50.5%, 42% and 7.5% respectively. Talking about AK-203, it fires 7.62 by 39 mm caliber bullet having 7.62 mm bore and 39 mm case length. It can fire 600 rounds per minute and has an effective range of 500 meters. It is a gas-operated rotating bolt rifle. One more important thing to note about this deal is that AK-203, which is being projected or pictures of AK-203 being circulated, is not the same which is going to be manufactured. Many advanced features such as Picatinny rail over handguard, adjustable buttstock and a better fire selector is not present in the Indian AK-203 versions, which means Russia is selling AK-103M, an older version of AK series rifle, in the name of AK-203. However, it is still better than less lethal INSAS rifles. Once the contract is signed for this deal, it will further take 32 months for the complete transfer of technology. Each AK-203 rifle developed indigenously will cost close to Rs 70,000 per piece. AK-203 is no doubt a very reliable platform, and Indian Armed Forces needs this very badly, as INSAS, which is widely used by our armed forces, is heavily outdated in the present-day battle and counter-insurgency scenarios.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We'll be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.